That's right, guys. It's me, James Swinney, on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, and it's a beautiful day out. The weather's gorgeous, the sun is out. My winter jacket, that's on hold, at least for this one day. And that's right, my Brooklyn Nets, they dominated last night in the home opener against Oklahoma City. And don't give me any trash saying that, Oklahoma didn't have great players or anything. It was still pure domination. Overall, a successful 24 hours. I'm back here on the floor of the stock exchange, and I'm about to make it even better. You know why? Because it's almost 4 o'clock. The markets are almost closed, so grab yourself a drink. You know why. It's happy hour in New York City. It's Tuesday afternoon here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, and U.S. stocks experiencing another down session, unfortunately. This due in part to yet another decline in oil prices, managing to touch 3-year low levels, this time intensifying concerns about a possible global economic slowdown. But before we talk about oil prices, we first begin on the economic front. The Commerce Department today reporting that factory orders for the month of September, that was down 0.6%. In other news, we did also have the trade gap that expanded during the month of September as exports, they fell from their recent record high levels. Now, going back to what I was first talking about, Brent crude oil, that fell to a more than 4-year low near $82 a barrel. This after Saudi Arabia lowered the price of oil exports to the United States while increasing the price of oil exports to both Europe as well as Asia. Now, you team that with a series of big corporate reports and you have yourself the following session where for every stock that was on the upside, 2 decline right here at the exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets have closed out the day. Meanwhile, on the corporate front, earnings, they're in full swing, this time led by Alibaba Group Holdings, making headlines this after posting its first quarterly results as a public company. Of course, the results were positive. JP Morgan Chase also weighing on the Dow Jones this afternoon after the bank disclosed that the U.S. Department of Justice is indeed conducting a criminal probe into the company's foreign exchange business. And lastly, we conclude with Sprint declining after the wireless carrier reported a bigger than expected loss during the quarter. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. The day's officially over. Enjoy the weather while it still lasts, because it's already November. It's not going to last that much longer. So go out there, and I'll see you guys all in the morning. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney.